Okay, hello everyone. So I think everybody wants to know how to say the week of the day of the week, sorry. So it's easy. For the first day, Monday in French is lundi. For the second day, Tuesday is mardi. For Wednesday is mercredi. For Thursday is jeudi. For Friday is vendredi. For Saturday it's samedi, and for Sunday it's dimanche. So all the days of the week finish with D, except Sunday, which starts with D. Okay, so now you know how to say all the day of the week. Okay, but another useful tip is to know how to count, at least until 10. Okay, so let's start with 0. 0 is really easy because 0 is zéro en français. So that's really almost the same. 1 is un. 2 is deux. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6 is six. That's spelled at the same way, it's just pronunciation would change. 7 is sept. 8 is huit. 9 is neuf. And I give you the 10. 10 is 10. So in the next video we'll see how to count from 10 to 100. I hope you enjoy, and do not forget to subscribe, like the video if you like it, and see you in the next video.